Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson wasn't seeing red at the premiere of his latest movie. The Red Notice star was all smiles while cuddling close to his wife, Lauren Hashian, at the glam event. As Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson rapped on that Tech 9 song that's going viral on TikTok, "It's about drive, it's about power," but on Wednesday night, it was also about love. When Dwayne, 49, attended the November 3rd premiere of his new Netflix movie in Los Angeles, his date was none other than his wife, Lauren Hashian. Lauren, 37, almost upstaged her superstar husband by walking the red carpet in a glamorous black dress with silver floral embellishments, her luscious dark locks flowing freely down to her shoulders. However, The Rock was no slouch in the fashion department. The entertainment superstar wrapped his 6'5" tall, 250+ pound frame into a two-piece velvet suit. He paired the deep purple outfit with a pair of gray loafers and an opened white button-up, which showed not just his chest, but also the pendant hanging around his neck. The bling was almost as bright as The Rock's smile when he posed next to Lauren and his mother, Atta Johnson, who also attended the event. Atta, 73, wore a full-length, long-sleeve sheer black gown over a shift. Related gallery. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson's family, see photos of the actor's kids. The Rock married Lauren in 2019, after more than a decade together. The couple announced their surprise matrimony via Instagram. "We do." August 18, 2019. Hawaii. Poma'ika'i, blessed, The Rock captioned the wedding photo he shared with his millions of followers. The couple first met in 2006 on the Game Plan but didn't begin dating until after his split from Danny Garcia in 2007. Johnson and Hashian share two children together, daughters Jasmine, 5, and Tiana, 3. The Rock was far from the only A-lister attending the Red Notice premiere. His co-stars, Ryan Reynolds and Gal Gadot, were also on hand. Ryan, 45, also went the velvet route, wearing a red three-piece suit with a black button-up. Gal, 36, also went with the red theme, opting for an asymmetrical sequin gown that glittered brighter than any ruby. The three stars reunited on the red carpet before the film's screening. Though, one wonders if The Rock understood the assignment by opting for a non-red outfit or if Gal and Ryan just decided to be cute for the film's premiere. Red Notice, written and directed by Ross and Marshall Thurber, is a heist comedy in which an FBI profiler, The Rock, partners with the world's greatest heart thief, Ryan, to catch the world's most wanted art thief, Gal, according to Deadline. The film, per Netflix, is a high-flying adventure that ensues takes the trio around the world, across the dance floor, trapped in a secluded prison, into the jungle land, worst of all for them, constantly into each other's company. The title refers to the global alert issued by Interpol and is arguably Netflix's biggest feature commitment at $130 million. It's set to arrive in select theaters on November 5th. It'll hit Netflix on November 12th.